Welcome to Sweet Pea's A for Keeping It Simple Sew Along. We're stitching the Hummingbird Blocks Coaster, reimagined from the popular hanger design. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to do the embroidery and turn your blocks into a finished coaster. Let's jump in and get started.
Step 1. Place batting on top of the hoop and stitch it down. Remove the hoop from your machine and trim the batting about 1 to 2 millimeters from the stitching. Step 2. Stitch the placement line for fabric A. Step 3. Place fabric A right side up, covering the placement line, and stitch it down. Remove the hoop and trim the fabric about 1 to 2 millimeters from the stitching. Step 4. Embroider the stippling on fabric A. Step 5. Using the top trimmed edge of fabric A as a placement line, place one piece of fabric B, wrong side up, crossing the placement line by 1/4 inch with the excess fabric towards the bottom of the hoop. Stitch it down. Step 6. Fold over the fabric, hold it taut, and stitch it down. Steps 7 and 8. Repeat the flip and fold technique using the other piece of fabric B for the bottom border. Trim, leaving the excess fabric in the seams. Steps 9 and 10. Repeat the flip and fold technique using one piece of fabric C for the left border. Steps 11 and 12. Repeat the flip and fold technique using the other piece of fabric C for the right border. Step 13 and 14. Embroider the flowers and the stem. Steps 15 to 31. Embroider the hummingbird, following the design's diagram. Step 32. Place fabric D, your backing fabric, on top of the hoop, wrong side up. Stitch it down, leaving an opening for turning. Remove the project from the hoop. Trim the seams to about 1/4 inch, leaving about 1/2 inch along the opening, and clip the corners. Turn the coaster right side out. Use a pointy tool, such as a point and press tool, to push out the corners neatly. Give it a good press with your iron. Finally, hand stitch or glue the opening closed. Your coaster is now finished.
Thanks for watching our Hummingbird Blocks and Coaster Kiss tutorial. We'd love to see your creation in the Facebook group. If you've enjoyed this design and want more incredible in the hoop projects, head over to swpea.com.